24/7 emergency access number, and there we were on the hood of her car. And I said, well, I think, we need to exchange information. No, you hit me. And so I had already dialed this emergency number. The lawyer was on the phone. She didn't realize it, but you hear the phone saying, is she refusing to give you her information? And she goes, no, I'm not. And she laid her driver's license on the hood of the car. See, there it is. So that was one instance. And then I used it a second time, 24/7 emergency access. Not a cup of coffee a day, more like $1 a day. But I was at a business that was a big business, and it had 2 parking lots. I can be absent-minded. I parked in one parking lot, but when I came downstairs to go find my car, there was this other parking lot that I found myself in because they were adjacent. And I was on the phone, emergency access, it's a Saturday, and as I'm explaining to the attorney, this lady who had seen me earlier said, oh, you didn't park in this parking lot, you parked in that parking lot. So this is incredibly soothing when you have somebody you can talk to in an emergency situation. Okay, so that's my thing. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com.